Yeah, 100%. Like, putting a DPF back exhaust on, you won't see a big gain in power.
You can't.
No, because at the end of the day, a lot of restriction is still up there in the DPF.
Yeah.
But definitely some vehicles, like 70 series, there's around about a sort of 5 to 10 horsepower gain just by doing a DPF back exhaust. So there is still a lot of restriction in the factory DPF back. So when you put a straight pipe on there, you definitely do see an improvement. But the reason most guys go DPF back is to get a better note.
Yep.
So, you know, what we run in our systems is just straight pipe on all our DPF back systems, so there's no mufflers at all. And that obviously ensures that you get the best sound. So we've got a cruiser out the back, it's got one of our DPF back twin systems on it. We'll go and have a listen, eh?